Yeah. What's good? Rat Hatter. Back with another one. We gonna bust open a couple more. You know what I mean? Cause I'm still in that mood. You feel me? You feel me? What is this? Society. I remember ordering from here, but I don't know what it is. What's up, people? Chilling. Y'all chilling? I'm chilling. Hope everybody good and good. Hope everybody good and good. What is this? Society. It's looking nice. What's this? Oh, okay. Listen. Listen. This is my first one, man. This is my first one. I needed that. The COVID pirates. The COVID pirates, the lavender joint with the turquoise. I got these for the, what foams is those? I forgot offhand what it is. You know what I mean? Fire. Fire. Y'all want to see what I got this with? Y'all want? Hold on. Wait right there. Hold on. I got you. I got you. Stop playing. Stop playing with me. Come on, bro. Come on. Why y'all playing? What? What? Huh? I know. I know. I know. Oh, man. God bless. God bless. Yo, you see these, though? I don't think y'all can see those. The Abalone joints with the COVID pirate. Yo, I know. I be on point. Yo, I need to be in a magazine or something. You know what I'm saying? I need to be matching some stuff up for magazines or something. Because my shit be different. It be different. For real. So we're going to take that off. But you see that? That's just beautiful. That's beautiful right there. The COVID pirates. Some of y'all up on it. Some of y'all not. It is what it is. You know what I mean? All right. What we got here? Let's bust open some, I got some LIDSHD joints. I got 2 LIDSHD joints right here. I don't remember what I bought, but we're going to figure it out right now. We're going to figure it out right now. I think I got this maybe, last LIDSHD was maybe a month ago. 2 months ago I ordered it. I don't know what it is, but we're going to find. Oh, see? Come on. I pre-planned from my last video. This from my last video. I forgot I got this. But guess what? I still got them right here. Bing bong. Bing bong. Look at, Hold on, man. Because I still got the reverse rust belt. The reverse rust belt. 2 birds. Killing 2 birds with 1 stone. Huh? Huh? Man, stop playing with me. Even though I ain't on here every week no more. Don't think I'm slipping. I'm not slipping. I just calmed down. That's all. That's all. This is disgusting. Look at that fit right there. That fit right there. It even matched the glass. It even matched the glass. Botafuco. Stop playing with me. Blue Jays. You see that beautiful baby right there? Come on, man. I still got it. I still got it. How y'all doing out there? I hope y'all good, man. I'm good. I'm great. I'm great. I'm great. Let's bust open another one. Let's see. Let's see what this is. Did I pre-plan another one? I know I ain't grabbed too many for these. I was bugging. I think I was bugging out. What's this? Why that look I spilled something on it? Alright, what's this? What is this? The paper's covering it. I can't see it. Bro, what? Yo, LIDSHD, y'all did. This is gorgeous. Oh, you see how that green pop on there? With the burp? Oh! I'm only getting what I need. Know what I mean? I done copped a lot of hats that I ain't really need. This, and it's cream. It ain't white. It ain't white. Know what I mean? That's the vanilla. The vanilla. Huh? That's the vanilla in the villa. Yo! I'm too smooth, man. Rattle. You know what it is. Yeah. Y'all want another one? Let's bust open another one. I like how that double stitch on the buffalo. That's just heat, man. That's heat. Stop playing with me, man. What we gonna bust open all of these? Nah. I'ma save. I got 1, 2, 3. I got 4 more boxes here. That should be enough because I've been slowing down on buying hats, so I don't want to run through everything right now. I'm going to save it for another video. I mean, thank y'all for tuning in. Family, I love y'all. Friends, I love y'all. Supporters, I love y'all. Mardukes, I'm sorry I ain't been making a lot of videos. I just ain't in the mood, but that's 2 back-to-back for you. So you can watch your boy on here. My kids, I love y'all. My grandson, Jalen, what's good? Bing bong. You say it with Opa? Say bing bong. I love you. I almost forgot. Much different.